Hello everybody, back with another Bitcoin cryptocurrency video today in a very different location from a different country. I'm in Slovenia at the moment, and back there is Lake Bled. You can't see it at the moment because I've climbed up this sort of mountainy pass and there's nobody up here at all. It's so peaceful, and I wasn't planning on doing a Bitcoin or video, but I thought, hell, it's so peaceful up here, I've got a bit of time. You cannot see the lake, which is annoying because this is so beautiful. Like, it's one of the nicest countries I've ever been to. I've traveled a lot and this is literally one of the nicest. It's so beautiful, everything around here. But yeah, what I wanted to say, so from my last video about my altcoin positions, I opened them before I went away expecting a nice bounce, and they've not went well. Altcoins are bleeding out at the moment and they're not seeming to care about oversold bounce. We're not getting any sort of bounces. You have to be managing your positions very carefully if you enter, with tight stop losses and protecting all profits. But I would recommend, if you're not confident on scalping like that, scalping for like 0.5%, just to wait for it until we get like 3 days of green daily candles on altcoins, and we might get a little bit of follow through, because right now everything's bleeding out. But we have had the positive news in the last few days of Starbucks are going to accept cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. This is how I see it. I don't think this is like a major thing what would increase the price of Bitcoin. In fact, no, I don't think it would increase the price of Bitcoin just by this news, but it's great for adoption, and the more Bitcoin gets adopted, the more its name gets out there, the better it is for the space in general. So that is bullish news, although it won't directly affect the price right now. And the second, we had Coinbase listing Ethereum Classic on the 7th of August, which is good, and so that's Ethereum Classic. And then they released the Coinbase custody, about like maybe 30-20 different altcoins that they are looking into. Not necessarily that they will list for trading, but that they're looking into. Included in that list that I took notice of was Quantum, there was Icon, there was VeChain, there was Ontology, Neo. So it seemed to be a list of coin, Moreno. There was like a list of coins with really good fundamentals, and great overall coins, which is great for long term for those coins, I'm sure. But yeah, I just wanted to say, I just felt like, yeah, just doing a quick video how I see Bitcoin playing out. Let me say about this, I don't see it going below 6,800 until the 10th, around the 15th, 10th now of August. I forget the date, sorry. I've had this week off and I cannot remember the date offhand, but around the SEC ETF decision. So if the decision is delayed, or if the decision is rejected, I foresee Bitcoin heading to the 5,000 region. And if we are accepted, then I see a very bullish price movement, so I would be entering along. It all depends on this. It's so dependent. If there's a rejection, we're going to 5,000, and then with the alts, they are losing like 50% of their price. Another 50%. There'll be some great bargains for long-term holds. But yeah, I'd keep your eye on that. Very careful entering any trades at the moment. I personally think you're better off waiting for the SEC ETF decision, and then either going long or going short, depending on that decision, because I think it will have a massive effect personally. And yeah, stay safe trading. And if you would like to see me doing like a video, because I've traveled so much around Europe, America, South America, a little bit of Asia. If you'd like me to do like a video of like my favorite places or things like this, if anyone would be interested in stuff like that, then let me know, and I could like do a video like talking about my trips and where my favorite places are. I want to try and show you the lake, but you cannot really see it at all. I'm like, all these trees are in the way. It was a really nice climb up here, but it's a shame that it's all foresty. There are areas where there's no forest, but like now they're like 20 minutes away and I gotta go down and I'm running out of battery. But yeah, just a quick video for you all. I hope you're all enjoying the space, and I'll be back with a technical analysis video very shortly. Yeah, thank you all for watching. Stay safe trading, and I'll see you all later. See you.